Man from Car Sound Security here. We've just finished doing a Cobra A4615 alarm system with tags on this Vauxhall Vivaro 2018. We've recorded a lot of theft of content and key cloning to access the vehicle to steal the tools. So let me show you how it works. So I've got the key here. So imagine someone's cloned the key and they've unlocked it. When they unlock it, it's approximately about 30 seconds. You can see this light flashing. It's trying to look for the ID tags, which I haven't obviously got at the moment. So let's just let that trigger. It takes approximately around about 30 seconds. So we're gonna have to wait patiently and wait for that to go off. Okay, that's gone off. Let's go and grab the tags of the vehicle and it will identify it. Okay, deactivate it. So you need to keep this tag on you to deactivate it. And when it comes to cloning the key, obviously the thieves haven't got the tag. It's at a military grade frequency. So yeah, give us a call if you want to protect your commercial vehicle on 0208 554 554. Thanks for watching.